Very good morning students. Sai Ram. Welcome back to your maths period. So children, you know very well now which lesson is going on? Operations on fractions. So this session I am going to continue this chapter. So children, we are in last exercise of this lesson. Okay. So before start the lesson, I will do quick recap. So children, that last session what I had thought, yes, we studied about reciprocals or multiplicative inverses. What is meant by reciprocals are that reciprocal which is known as multiplicative inverses. Okay, so what is meant by multiplicative inverses? How we are obtaining that multiplicative inverses? Yes, we have to interchange the place of numerator and denominator, then we can get multiplicative inverses of the given fraction. For example, 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5. Can you say what is the reciprocal of 2 upon 5? Yes, 5 upon 2. Okay. So, I hope you understood this one. Next one is division of fractions. Division of fractions also we studied. So, if you want to divide that fraction, what we should do? See here, to divide a number by a fraction is to multiply it by the reciprocal of the fraction. So children, see here, to divide a number by a fraction, what we should do? We have to do multiply it by the reciprocal of the fraction. So if you want to divide the fraction, you should know about the reciprocal of the fraction or multiplicative inverse of that fraction. Okay. So children, see here, I hope you understood how we have to divide. Yes. So practice set 13. This is the last exercise of this lesson. So first question, that was multiplicative inverses. Okay, right, multiplicative inverses of the given numbers that we solved in last session. So second question, that is division. So division, that is 4 sums are there. So first sum we solved already. So from second sum onwards we will do now. Are you ready children? Yes. So this is your question here. 5 upon 9 is divided by 3 upon 2. So see here children, what we have to do? Yes, you have to write your question here is equal to first fraction, that means first number you have to write as it is, 5 upon 9. So this divides, this division sign you have to convert into multiply, but how we have to here convert into multiply? This fraction, what we have to write? Yes, we have to write what? Multiplicative inverse. Okay. So children, see here 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2. What is the reciprocal of 3 upon 2? 2 upon 3. Here I have interchanged the place of, yes, numerator and denominator. Okay, so 2 upon 3. And here what will come? Multiply. Okay, so now it is so easy to multiply. Because in multiply what we should do? Yes, numerator into numerator upon denominator into denominator. Okay, so 5 into 2 upon 9 into 3 is equal to what will come? 5 2s are 10 and 9 3s are 27. So this is your answer. I hope you understood. Shall I go to next? Third question is, so children, see here 10 upon 27. This is what? Proper fraction. So we can't here do mixed number. Okay, we can't convert into mixed number. So 10 upon 27, that is your final answer. Shall I go to next? Next one is, yes, 3 upon 7 is divided by 5 upon 11. Okay, so children, see here, this is your question here I have written is equal to 3 upon 7 I have written as it is. And here this number, yes, multiplicative inverse or reciprocal you have to write here. That means 5 upon 11 is equal to what? 11 upon 5. And here multiply sign. Okay. So next step is what? Next step is 3 upon 7. Yes, multiply 11 upon 5. Now you have to multiply. That means numerator into numerator upon denominator into denominator. That means 3 into 11 upon 7 into 5. 3 11s are what? 33 upon 7 5s are 35. Again here you got what? Proper fraction. 33 upon 35. Understood now? Shall I go to next? Fourth sum is See here 11 upon 12 is divided by 4 upon 7. 11 upon 12 is divided by 4 upon 7. Okay. So here that same step. Yes, 11 upon 12. I have written here this division sign. Yes, I have written here into multiply, and here this reciprocal. 4 upon 7, what is the reciprocal? Yes, children, see here 4 upon 7. Here I have written reciprocal, that means 7 upon 4. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply. Okay. So 11 upon, yes, 11 into 7 upon 12 into 4. So children, see here 11 sevens are 77 upon 12 fours are 48. 77 upon 48. So here you got which fraction? Yes, you got improper fraction. So you have to convert here what? Yes, mixed number. Okay. So in 77, how many 48s are there? 148. And so that 1 I have written here, and this remainder, that means 29, I have written here numerator place upon this divisor, that will come as a denominator here. So what is your final answer? Yes, that is 129 upon 48. Understood, children? Yes. Shall I go to next? So children, next one is word problem is there. Okay. There were 420 students participating in, how many students? See here 420 students participating in the Swachh Bharat campaign. Okay. They cleaned 42 upon 75 part of the town Sevagram. What part of Sevagram did each student clean if the work was equally shared by all? So children, once again I will repeat here. There were 420 students. How many number of students? 420. Participating in this Swachh Bharat campaign. They cleaned how much of part of the town? Yes, 42 upon 75 part of the town. What part of the Sevagram did each student clean if the work was equally shared by all? So here equally shared by all means here what we should do? Yes, we should do divide. Okay, we should do division. So children, see here. Yes, first what we should do? Statements. We have to write statements. So total number of students. First you have to write what? Total number of students, that is 420. That already is given in your question, isn't it? Total number of students 420. Part of town cleaned by all students, that is 42 upon 75 part. So here what we should find? Part of the town cleaned by one student. So what we have to do? Yes, we have to divide this. Yes, part of town cleaned by all students is divided by total number of students. Okay, 42 upon 75 is divided by 420. Because we should find what? Yes, how much of part is cleaned by one student. That we have to find. For that we have to divide this fraction is divided by 420. Okay, so children, see here. I hope you understood this statement. Yes. So here third statement you have to see. 42 upon 75 is divided by 420. Okay. So next one is, yes, 42 upon 75 is divided by 420. Here this is what? Here division is there. So here what we have to do? Yes. Next step you have to see here, children. 42 upon 75 I have written as it is divided by, next one is 420. Here integer, this integer we should write in fraction form. So what will come? Yes, 420 upon 1. This one already I told, isn't it? If the given integer, what is the denominator? Denominator is 1. So this 420 we can write, this 420 we can write 420 upon 1. Okay. So children, see here. Next step. Yes, 42 upon 75. Here this division, yes, we have to convert into multiply, and this fraction we should write what? Yes, the reciprocal of this fraction we should write here. We have to write reciprocal of this fraction. So 420 upon 1 is equal to what will come? Yes, 1 upon 420. That means 42 upon 75 into 1 upon 420 is equal to, see here, now we have to, yes, multiply. Now you have to do multiply. That means 42 into 1 upon 72 into 420. Okay, so here children, as I told, here in numerator and denominator, if any common factor is there, with the help of the common factor we can cancel this number, isn't it? I told in last session. So here 42 and 420, here that 42 is a common factor, so we can cancel this number. See here, next slide is, yes, so here this step you have to say 42 into 1 upon 75 into 420. Okay, so here these two number, yes, 42 and 420. Here 42 is a common factor, so we can cancel this number. 42 ones are 42 and 42 tens are 420. So I cancel this number. Here I have written 10. Okay, so now you have to multiply. How we have to multiply? Numerator into numerator upon denominator into denominator. That means 1 ones are 1 into 1 upon 75 into 10. 75 into 10. Now you have to multiply and give the answer. Yes, 1 ones are 1. Yes, and next one is 75 into 10 is equal to 750. So this is your answer. So one student cleared how much of part of the town? 1 upon 750 part. So see here children, your answer is, therefore part of town cleaned by one student is equal to 1 upon 750 part. Understood now? Yes, shall I go to next now? Children, this practice set 13, it is over. Okay, so this is the last word sum. So here children, I will give some more, that here this exercise only very few sums are there, that is division, isn't it? So here some more extra sum I will solve now. Are you ready? Yes. So children, these are the extra sum. Okay, 3 sums I will solve now. You have to listen. 2 upon 5 is divided by 2 upon 5. So first 2 upon 5, yes, this you have to convert into multiply. This 2 upon 5 you have to write what? Yes, multiplicative inverse, that means 5 upon 2. Now you have to multiply and write, that means 2 5s are 10, 5 2s are 10 is equal to 1. 10 upon 10 is equal to what? 1. Otherwise children, see here, here this step also you can cancel this number. Yes, 2 and 2, that means common factor, isn't it? So 2 we can cancel, and this 5 we can cancel. So final answer what you will get? 1. So you can do which method is easy, that method you have to do. Okay, you can cancel it, otherwise you have to multiply and you have to write that final answer. Understood children? Next one is 3 upon 8 is divided by 9 upon 11. Okay, so 3 upon 8 is divided by 9 upon 11. Yes, here this number multiplicative inverse you have to write. That means 11 upon 9. 3 upon 8 into 11 upon 9. Now what you have to do? Yes, we have to multiply. That means numerator into numerator. Products of numerator you have to write. That means 11 3s are 33 upon 8 9s are 72. Okay children, again and again I am telling, if that final answer it is the improper fraction, what we have to do? We have to, yes, convert into mixed number. But if you are getting that proper fraction, this is your final answer. Okay, third question is, yes, 5 upon 7 is divided by 2 upon 9. So 5 upon 7, and here this fraction you have to write what? Multiplicative inverse. That means 9 upon 2. 9 upon 2. So children, see here this step, 5 upon 7 into 9 upon 2. I have written here multiplicative inverse. Now what we have to do? We have to do multiply. That means numerator into numerator. 5 into 9 upon 7 into 2. Okay. So 5 nines are what will come? Yes. 45 upon 14 is equal to what? Here this is what? Improper fraction. So here I have converted. Yes. Children, see here I have converted here mixed number. 45, how many 14s are there? 3 14s are there. And a remainder 3. Okay, upon 14. This is your final answer. So I hope you understood now how we have to divide. Yes, understood children? So children, this lesson I have completed. So this session what we studied about division of fractions, isn't it? So division of fractions and that one word problem also we studied. That means practice set 13. So I have completed this lesson, and this session we studied that 3 extra sums also, isn't it? That is division of fractions. So children, this lesson what we studied about fraction, types of fraction, and the next one is how we have to add and subtract of fraction, isn't it? How we have to do addition and subtraction of mixed number, that also we studied. Next one is multiplicative inverse. Next one is multiplication of fractions, and the last one is division of fractions. These all things we discussed in this chapter. So children, I hope you understood this lesson. Yes, thank you children. Sai Ram.